So this is our backyard after the rain last night. We got a little bit of water. Actually, we got a lot of water. If we look up here, we can see the entire street is flooded. See this fence? That's where our backyard ends. That's where our pool ends. Oh, and look. You look past the fence, the neighbor's yard is flooded too. Oh my god. We never have to water our lawn. And the water comes all the way up to the house.